How to sign up for Buffalo Wings reward online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to get rewards on Buffalo Wings? Then you are in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to the Buffalo Wild Wings website. Then go to the reward section at the top, and then you need to tap on join today. So you can see you can get free burger when you join, and then you can get more points faster than ever. So you can just tap on join today, and then once you join it, you will be prompted to a new page. So you'll need to sign up by entering your first name, last name, your email address, phone number, your date of birth, zip code, and create a password that is of minimum 8 characters and must contain one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, number, and a special character. Then you need to read the terms and conditions and hit continue, and then you'll be eligible for the Buffalo Wings rewards. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.